Ever wondered what makes a Rolls-Royce more than just a car? What elevates it from a mode of transport to a rolling masterpiece? Today, we're going behind the velvet rope, pulling back the curtain on the secret world of Rolls-Royce manufacturing. This isn't just about building cars. It's about crafting legends. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the extraordinary craftsmanship, the bespoke artistry, and the relentless pursuit of perfection that defines every vehicle to ever wear the iconic spirit of ecstasy. Let's start at the very beginning, at the home of Rolls-Royce in Goodwood, England. This place is less of a factory and more of an atelier, a modern-day workshop where artists and engineers collaborate. Unlike a typical assembly line where speed is king, here, patience is the ultimate virtue. Each Rolls-Royce is built by hand, a process that can take anywhere from 6 months to over a year, depending on the level of customization. Think about that for a second. In the time it takes to build one Rolls-Royce, other manufacturers can produce thousands of cars. This deliberate pace is the foundation of its legendary quality. The journey begins with the aluminum space frame architecture. This isn't just a random choice. It's a proprietary platform that's lighter, stiffer, and more flexible than conventional steel structures. This architecture of luxury, as they call it, ensures that serene, magic carpet ride that Rolls-Royce is famous for. It's the silent hero of the car, isolating the cabin from any vibrations or road noise, creating a sanctuary of calm. Now, let's talk about the paint. You might think painting a car is straightforward, but at Rolls-Royce, it's an art form. Each car receives at least 5 layers of paint, and that's just the standard. If you count the primers and clear coats, it's closer to a dozen. The entire process takes 7 days and involves both robotic precision for consistency and human eyes for perfection. Technicians spend hours hand-polishing the body to achieve that signature mirror-like finish. The result is a depth and luster you won't find anywhere else. And the color options? They offer a palette of 44,000 hues. But if you have a specific color in mind, maybe your favorite flower or a particular sunset, they'll create a bespoke color just for you. One of the most iconic features of a Rolls-Royce is the coach line. This single, elegant stripe runs the length of the car, and it's painted entirely by hand. There's only one man in the world trusted with this job, Mark Court. Using special brushes made from squirrel and ox hair, he paints the 6-meter line with unwavering precision. It takes him 3 hours, and he needs the steadiest hand imaginable. There's no room for error. This single detail perfectly encapsulates the Rolls-Royce philosophy, a blend of tradition, human skill, and absolute perfection. Step inside, and you enter a world of unparalleled luxury. The interior is where the bespoke experience truly comes alive. The wood veneers are sourced from a single tree for each car to ensure the grain and figuring match perfectly throughout the cabin. The pieces are book-matched, creating a beautiful, symmetrical pattern that flows from the dashboard to the doors. It's like fine furniture making, but for a car. The craftsmen spend weeks selecting, cutting, and finishing these wood sets, treating each piece like a work of art. Then there's the leather. Rolls-Royce sources its hides from bulls raised in high altitude, fence-free pastures to ensure the leather is free from blemishes and insect bites. It takes about 11 hides to furnish a Phantom, and each piece is inspected by hand. The team ensures that only the most flawless sections are used. The stitching, the patterns, the softness, it's all designed to engage the senses. They even have a specific aroma that they cultivate for the interior, a subtle scent of rich leather and fine wood that immediately says Rolls-Royce. And we can't forget the Starlight headliner. This is perhaps one of the most enchanting features. It consists of over 1,300 fiber optic lights that are individually hung into the roof lining to create a celestial canopy. The brightness of each star can be adjusted to match your mood. But gets better. For a truly personal touch, the Bespoke Collective can recreate the constellation of any specific night sky. Maybe your birthday or your wedding anniversary. Imagine driving under the stars of a cherished memory. That's not just a feature, it's pure magic. Of course, the heart of every Rolls-Royce is its engine. The commitment to perfection extends to the smallest details. The iconic self-righting wheel centers, For example, the double R logo always remains upright, even when the car is in motion. It's a small thing, but it speaks volumes. It shows a level of thoughtfulness in engineering that goes beyond what's necessary. It's about doing things the right way, not the easy way. Another example is the umbrella hidden inside the door. It's Teflon coated and pops out with the press of a button, ready for a sudden downpour. The compartment it sits in is even heated to dry it after use. It's this kind of anticipatory luxury that sets Rolls-Royce apart. The Bespoke Collective is the team that makes dreams a reality. This is where clients work directly with designers and artisans to create a car that is a true extension of their personality. We're not just talking about choosing colors and materials. We're talking about commissioning truly unique works of art. One client, a passionate rose breeder, had over 1 million embroidered stitches integrated into the interior to create a stunning floral landscape. Another had a celestial-themed phantom created with a gallery featuring a 3D printed stainless steel map of the solar system. There was even a car with interior elements made from a 200-year-old fallen tree from the owner's estate. The only limit is imagination. This level of personalization is what redefines automotive excellence. A Rolls-Royce isn't just a product you buy off a shelf. It's commission! It's a collaboration between the owner and the creators. This process ensures that no two cars are exactly alike. Each vehicle tells a story, reflecting the tastes, passions, and life of its owner. It becomes more than a possession. It becomes a legacy. So, when you see a Rolls-Royce glide silently by, remember what you've learned today. You're not just looking at a car. You're looking at thousands of hours of human dedication. You're seeing hand-polished paint, a hand-painted coach line, and wood from a single tree. You're witnessing the culmination of over a century of heritage, a relentless pursuit of perfection, and a commitment to creating the best car in the world. It's a masterpiece on wheels, a moving sanctuary, and a testament to the enduring power of true craftsmanship in an age of mass production. It's the reason why owning a Rolls-Royce isn't just about status. It's about appreciating the very pinnacle of human artistry and engineering. Thank you so much for joining me on this exclusive tour behind the scenes at Rolls-Royce. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of ultimate luxury, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what you find most fascinating about these incredible machines. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.